Hi, I'm Samantha, and today I'm going to show you how to mark in and mark out video footage and move it to your timeline. First, you need to get your footage and drag it to the top left box. Next, you'll want to watch your video to see what you need to cut out. Once you've watched it all the way through, you'll want to play it again until you have got the first part of the clip. Then you'll want to pause and mark in. Then you can resume into the last clip where you will pause and mark out. Now that we have the right clip, you can come down here and drag it over to the timeline. Now, watch your footage to see if you have the right clips.